Hello! In this video, I will show you how to fix Samsung Fold if it is not opening all the way. As you can see here, this phone is not opening completely. We will try to fix this with few simple steps. First, put some isopropyl alcohol, where I put it directly on the back of the phone. Then take toothbrush, make sure it's clean, and rub the isopropyl alcohol deeper. Then take shaving blade and cut along the edges. Don't go deep, maximum 2 or 3 millimeters. At first, the blade won't go in. You need to open phone a little to make a gap. Then just slide the blade along the sides. Be careful, don't cut yourself, and don't push too hard so you don't scratch your phone. Now, we will again use the toothbrush, or as I use brush, dedicated to phones. You can buy this on the internet with this brush. You will remove the dust and debris. I will put some more isopropyl alcohol to clean it better. You have to repeat the process few times for it to work. Just be careful, don't hurt yourself or your phone. As you can see, this one was success. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck with your repair.